Good afternoon, family and friends. Welcome once again to Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. You're here with your boy King Smokepot, and we're here in lovely Jamaica. I'm having a great time. Today I'll be doing for you what is called Callaloo. Now, for my friends in America, England, Canada, or over the world who does not know what Callaloo is, but they know what spinach is or what collard green is, Callaloo is really just like a cousin to those green vegetables. All right, it's very simple to make and I'll walk you through it. However, before I do that, remember to subscribe, share, and like. Subscribe, share, like, and also leave a comment. So, okay, here we go. So this is what Callaloo looks like. Green vegetation, a lot of very leafy. So the way we clean it, we basically cut the top off and it carries like a film on it. So you take it down like this to get rid of as much of the film as you can. All right. If the stalk is very big, you can go further down to see how much of it you can get off. And that's the first stage in cleaning Callaloo, all right? And you continue doing that. You clean it like that, like so. All right, you get as much film off as you can. Callaloo doesn't take long to cook. It takes like about less than 10 minutes. It can be prepared in many ways, but the way I'm showing you today is just a simple with some, simple ingredients, okay? After doing that, then the next stage is you start cutting. You cut them real small. You cut them extremely small. You cut not only the stalk, you're going to be cutting the leaf and everything. Then after that, you're going to wash them in some salt water, because that will take away any insect, because vegetation, insects like to be around them. So you wash it with salt water before you start steaming the vegetable. Okay, so we continue with that process for all the callaloo, and then we steam it down. Now that I've finished cleaned my callaloo and cut them up real small, now it's time to go to the next stage where we're gonna be washing them. And we're washing them real properly with salt water. So I'll add some salt to this. And then you use cold water, because you do not want to use any hot water, because that would be starting the process of steaming. So you use the cold water and you properly wash it. You sort of have that salt dissolve in the water, and then after that you leave it for maybe 5 minutes just to soak a little. So you let it get that salt or dissolve, and then you leave it for about 5 minutes, and then you finish washing it, and then you're ready to steam. And now that I've had my callaloo soaking in the salt water for some time, now I'll just rinse it one more time. So I'll just strain it like so. Rinse it with a little more water. And then I'll be sauteing some vegetables, some seasoning, and I'll add the seasoning and the callaloo to those seasonings. So let me rinse it one more time. Okay, we strain this one more time. What we're going to do now, we're going to saute the seasoning that we have right here. So I have up on the stove a pot. I had pour some oil. And then I have here with me some onions, scallion, tomatoes, thyme, and some green bell pepper. And I'll just add these to my mix. I saute that nicely. I'll put a pinch of powder seasoning, a little bit of powder seasoning. I have a little chicken seasoning. I just add a little to it, maybe about 1 tablespoon. Now I also had some black pepper, about 1 tablespoon. Continue to saute there. And as I said before, callaloo cooks very quickly, so I'll be adding the callaloo so that they can basically work down in that little sauce together. So now I'll be adding the callaloo. You can take it up like so, it's been mashed properly. It shrinks as soon as it touches the oil. And then you leave that for 10 minutes. Well, at this time the color should be finished. Let me take a last look. Yes, definitely. As you can see, it's soft. The aroma is great and everything. So as I said, callaloo can be eaten with anything, whether it be rice, bananas, it doesn't matter. So today I'll be doing a little plating. I made some pasta with some mixed vegetable added, and I'll be doing callaloo alongside that. So this is my simple dish with callaloo, one of the best greens around that I know. Very, very healthy and very delicious. And with it, I made some pasta and some mixed vegetables. It can be eaten with anything. So let me take a taste to see exactly if it came out the way it's supposed to. It's delicious. Very, very good. For those who don't know what callaloo is, you need to source it and try it out. I'm sure it's going to be #1 on your priority. In the meantime, remember, this is Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. We need all the support we can get. So we're asking to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment, whether it be good or bad. Peace out.